In a bowl, add 300 grams of all-purpose flour and in the center make a little hole. Add 3 eggs and 1 teaspoon of salt. Beat the eggs with a fork for a few seconds. Add 3 tablespoons of natural yogurt and start kneading the dough. In case it's too sticky, add extra flour, but no more than 30 grams. Cover with a kitchen towel and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. Transfer half of the dough on a flour surface and roll it until it reaches 1 mm thickness. Sprinkle with flour and then fold it in two. Add more flour and then fold it again. We need to add more flour on top in order to avoid stickiness. The last step is to cut the dough into 1 centimeter strips. You can also cut this dough if you have a pasta machine. Repeat the process with the second half of the dough. Boil the fresh pasta for 3 to 5 minutes and serve it with your favorite sauce. Don't forget to like, share and leave a comment on this video if you enjoy it. Also, subscribe if you are new to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell as well to be notified every time I post a new recipe. Bon appétit!